Hi my friend, in this video I'll teach you how to crochet these quick and easy hearts. If you are like me and would rather follow a written pattern, you'll find it in the description below. To make this heart you need to know how to crochet chain stitches, single crochets, increase with single crochets, slip stitch and trebles. You'll find the video tutorials for these stitches in the description below. Okay, are you ready? Let's dive into the tutorial. We'll start off by crocheting 2 chain stitches. Then we'll crochet 2 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. At the end of every row, we'll crochet a chain stitch before turning and starting on the next row. On the second row, we'll make 1 increase in each stitch so that we have 4 stitches at the end of the row. And we'll end the row with a chain stitch. On the third row, we'll start off with an increase, crochet 2 single crochets and end with an increase. And before turning over again, we'll crochet a chain stitch. To form a triangle, we'll increase once at the beginning and once at the end of each row until we have 12 stitches. When we have increased so that we have 12 stitches, it's time to crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch for 3 rows. Now it's time to crochet an edge around the triangle. We'll be crocheting 8 single crochets on the left side of the heart, starting in the same stitch as the previous stitch. 3 single crochets at the tip of the heart, and 8 single crochets on the right side of the heart. Okay, so now it's time for the last side of the heart. We'll start off by skipping 2 stitches and making 8 trebles in the following stitch. Then we'll skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch. And skip 2 stitches again and make 8 trebles in the following stitch. Now you could finish off the heart by attaching the last stitch to the first one with a slip stitch. But I think it's much prettier to finish off the row with an invisible join like this. And then we just need to finish off the ends and we're done. Someone else who would like to be this fast in real life? Amazing work, my friend! If you would like to pick up the free PDF copy of the pattern, you'll find it in the link below. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. Until next time, bye!